Okay, viewers, now I'm in the process of putting on this exhaust fan in the ceiling to absorb all the smoke or smell while cooking. This is the same kitchen that we're doing right now. Now I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna show you how to put this big exhaust fan. This rated of exhaust fan is 290 CFM. CFM means cubic feet per minute of air. Dump it out, I mean suck it out going outside of the house. So from here, you're gonna suck the air going outside by the roof. Alright, so this is the old one. We removed the old one, which is too small and too weak. That's why I decided to get the bigger one, since we modified this wall, we make it bigger, so all the air can come into this area while the fan is on. So now I'm gonna put this pipe extension reducer. Uh, 6 inches diameter to 4. Then after that I reduce to 4, so I can put this 4 inches. This is a elbow, universal elbow. You can make 90 degrees on this. You just gonna turn this around. I'm gonna make a 90 degrees. I'm gonna put my gloves on, kind of sharp. The metal is sharp. So this is the fan, exhaust fan looks like, and it's heavy. Okay, so this is the bottom part, and there's a grill. After this been installed, I'm gonna put the grill. This grill is the one you can see in the ceiling exposed, and all of this housing gonna be inside the attic. Alright, so now this is the bottom, and this gotta be connected like this. Okay, sticking out. Then another pipe that goes in here. This is gonna be the looks like. All right. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller by crimping out to fit the let me take it out. Easy to work with. There you go. All right. Okay. So enable to make that strong, man, I need to screw that at least 3 around it. Okay, and aside from screw that, put a screw on that, still gonna put this aluminum tape. This aluminum tape is to seal the seam around it so that there's no air going to it, or there's no air going out. When they sucking the air here, it's concentrated. Oh no, when they're sucking the air here on this fan right here, then coming out there. So if there's a leak here around somewhere, the air will gonna escape, and you know, it's not concentrate to go out. So this is adhesive, aluminum tape, and this is rated for heating and cooling system. Hot and cold, it's not gonna get burned, and it's not gonna get let me see, I need to go down a little bit. There you go. Yeah, it's sealed it, and I'm gonna put so that this will stay in place. The way I make the angle of the elbow 90 degrees. Okay, now it's stiff, not gonna move anymore. One more. And one more over here, because these the joint, the one I put the screw. Okay, and now this is gonna be connected here. Okay, then also gonna have a tape, aluminum tape. Right, so this is how it looks like that. I'm gonna go inside there. I'm gonna check the height from the roof. You got 28. Only get 23. I can reduce to 12. Okay, I may gotta make it short. Minus 12. I'm changing the blade with the deeper one to cut the metal. Okay, now since it's already assembled, it's not gonna fit on the hole. If I make that hole exactly the same size of this square, so I'm gonna remove this, take this out for now. Okay. Looks like it's hitting, this damper hitting on my screw. So I need to cut this down. Okay, I gotta put this damper back. Okay, when the air blows, these need to be free. I can just bend this a little bit. Yep, right there. Okay, this is how it works. The air gonna blows there. When the fan is on, when the fan is off, we're gonna come back there to close this exhaust. Enable not to, to go dirt somewhere there and coming from there and going inside the fan. All right. I gotta connect this later. $12 1/4. I can do 12 and a half. 12 and a half by 12 and a half. Since my hole there, the old hole is too small and round and too tight, I'm gonna modify that hole first. Fix that frame. Alright? I'm gonna make this bigger hole because it's too tight, so I gotta cut this down. Okay, so this is the size. That's the size I need. So I'm gonna take this out and move to the other side so I have something to nail to screw the housing, the new housing. Alright, so I'm gonna cut that off. I'm replacing this blade. I need a long one. By the way, for safety, you need to use your goggle. Okay, now I'm gonna nail that piece of wood up there for the frame. So I'm going to connect this first, the wiring, before I put that on the main housing, then connect this damper and exhaust to the housing. Alright. Okay, this exhaust fan is already installed. We can try it now. I can try it now how it works. Alright. Yep, it's working. Then this is the grill. This is the grill for that. The grill goes in here. Okay, right there. Then you gotta make it in the center. It's right there. It's a good looking exhaust fan. Yeah, it's very powerful. Alright viewers, thanks for watching.